Welcome back. Today I have my latest ThredUP goodie box. I'll link my previous ThredUP goodie box unboxings below. This is actually my fourth goodie box. My stylist is Jessica Myers. She's great. Request her if you decide to try a goodie box. And if you've never tried ThredUP before at all, I will put my link below. And I think that gives you and me both a $10 credit towards shopping at ThredUP. So this time around, I was itching for some fall. I was in Michigan, which is where I grew up, like right before school started, and I had that itchy, like back to school shopping feeling. And we're in Maryland. My kids don't even care about back to school shopping because they're still gonna wear their shorts and t-shirts for 3 weeks into school, and then whatever. Nobody cares by the time you're 3 weeks into school. Nobody cares what they're wearing anymore. But being home, and also with everything being like so retro 90s, and I graduated from high school in the 80s, but it still kind of makes me think about the places I used to shop in the 80s and just the fall feeling. I always have that like fresh start, want to start fresh in the fall kind of feeling, which is also like a planner thing for me too. But shopping wise, I decided I was really itching for some stuff from Gap and Banana Republic. So that's what I asked Jessica for this time. I have one top in here that I had picked out myself, which was from White House Black Market. There's one other item that's not Gap or Banana Republic. I actually tried everything on this time. There are 10 items. I did a lot of Instagram polls this time. Almost everything in this box was $16.99. There were 5 tops, and the only one that wasn't $16.99 was this silk blouse, Banana Republic, black. It would probably be fine. I just have a thing about these epaulettes. I think that's what they're called. They just remind me of the old members only jackets, and I just can't. So that's just a no, just a little thing. This top, oh, I thought I would like it. It's tencel. It's from Banana Republic. It's tencel. Feels really nice. I think it looks nice. It's not a great color on me, but you could probably do something with a scarf to break up the color. It just was a little tight across the chest, so it just was a no for me. This is the one I picked out myself, just from White House Black Market. I did an Instagram poll on this one. You didn't like it. I wasn't sure about it, so that's probably a no. This, when I first pulled it out of the box, it reminded me so much of, well, it reminded me of a 90s sweater, is what it reminded me of. It's 100% cotton. It's super soft. It has that almost like cool to the touch feeling, but cozy. I don't know. It's kind of nice. It's kind of a funky cut. I couldn't decide if I liked it or didn't. It didn't do so well on the Instagram poll, and I was also kind of hoping, because it is longer in the back, that I could get away with it with leggings, but it's so short in the front. Y'all said definitely not on that, so have to agree with you. That one's probably going back. Banana Republic sleeveless blouse. It's very long and flowy. It has like the contrasting crepey kind of stuff at the bottom. And this is a small. It's very low on the chest and very low in the armholes. I think it would work fine to have the dry cleaner like take it up there. Just shorten the straps, not even by a lot, but just like an inch or so total would be enough to like tighten up those armpit holes a little bit and just make the chest like a hair more modest. We'll come back to that one at the end. I really thought about it. Then we come to jeans. Jessica knows me too well. 3 pairs of jeans. First we'll talk about this pair, which is not from Gap or Banana Republic. It is Mavi, which is a nice brand. Burgundy. Burgundy jeans are great. They're so flexible. I get so much use out of mine. I don't need another pair though. The timing really cracked me up because Yvette Niesel had just gotten a pair of burgundy jeans in a box, and it caused me to go into a panic because I was thinking, I know I sometimes will overdo when I put things away for the season, and I will get rid of too many things. And I had this panic moment thinking, did I get rid of those last year? Because they're like on the hair on the big side. They're probably fine though with a belt. So I did not. I still have them. And then later in the day, I got these from ThredUP. So, but the ones that I have are fine. So I'll be keeping those and sending these back. Of the 2 pair of jeans, the Banana Republic I'm keeping for myself. I think they fit well. They are a nice practical pair of jeans, and they are $14. They're actually made in Bangladesh, which I wouldn't want a new item that's made in Bangladesh, but you can't put the toothpaste back in the tube, and we might as well keep this. One of the things I like about ThredUP is just the practical aspect of not creating extra waste unnecessarily. So I really appreciate being able to, and jeans actually are one of the biggest culprits for like just the amount of water that you use to make a pair of jeans. So if I can continue to get wear out of this pair, which looks like they were hardly worn at all. They were not new with tags, and I've actually washed them since. They are in very good shape. I'll get lots of wear out of them. The other pair of jeans is very similar, from Gap, and it's so funny because they're both size 4, but the waist is like, that's actually almost an inch difference in the waistband. Ones from Banana Republic are stretchier fabric too. So anyway, these I could get them on, and they probably look fine in the try-on. I feel like I'm completely squeezed into them, and they fit my daughter perfectly, so they're staying. They're also $13, and they're staying. They're just going to her room, not mine. And she included 2 black knit dresses. They're both like heavier weight, kind of a nicer knit dress, not a t-shirty dress. The one from Banana Republic is the most expensive item in the box, $32.99. It's pretty. I felt a little too naked in it, and it's a size 4. They're both size 4s, and just the cut and the way that it fit, I felt kind of really squeezed into it. I felt a little self-conscious. I liked it, but I loved this one. This was amazing. This is from Gap. It is $16.99. It is new with tags. It is a great cut. It's such a versatile piece of clothing. I will wear it. It's adorable. It's a great cut on me, I think. I actually did put an Instagram poll on it. I said, is my stylist the best? And both options were thumbs up because my stylist, Jessica Myers, is the best. And I love this dress. I just love this dress. So I'm keeping the 2 pair of jeans, and I'm keeping this dress. You get a $10 credit if you keep $75 in items, and I was doing the math. If I had kept 2 of the tops, it would make sense, but only keeping 1 of the tops, I would have been happy to keep this one. It does need alteration. I haven't gone to see how much that would be. I'm guessing probably around $10 in my area. It's like just the way the math worked out. If I were keeping 2 tops and then I would be getting the $10 credit, and then I think I would probably have kept this. I'm gonna let it go. I like it. I'm not in love with it. I don't, so much so that I'm gonna pay full price for it. It is Banana Republic though. It is, I'm kind of like in my head thinking, could you get something similar? I mean, you could get something similar to this at Marshall's for $16.99. It would not be as well made as this though. This is the nice piece. I also got some great tops in my last ThredUP box. So I am gonna let this one go, but I do like it. I am so happy with these ThredUP goodie boxes. My next ThredUP video though might be actually a haul because Jessica pointed out something that I think I want to try. I will probably have already placed my order by the time this goes up, but I did some Instagram polls to see what you guys think of the things in my cart. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with what I post on that kind of stuff. I'm at Veronica Foley's Planner, and I'll link it below. If you're new to my channel, click subscribe below. See you Wednesday!